Last week, while browsing on my phone, I came across an account called Woody Car Lab. One of their videos immediately caught my attention. It showed a simple block of wood transforming into a beautifully crafted miniature car within just a few seconds. Thousands of people in the comments were asking the same question. How is this made? Is it real woodworking, or is it computer generated? The answer is, it's not real woodworking. The entire video was created using a few AI tools right from home, completely free. Out of curiosity, I decided to test the process myself, and honestly, I was surprised by how simple it was to generate the entire workflow from start to finish. So in today's video, I'm going to walk you through my own experiment, showing you exactly which tools I used, where each prompt goes, and how a simple idea turns into a fully finished cinematic AI video. But before we begin, let's answer one important question. How are these videos actually made? Step 1. Generating an idea from scratch. The biggest challenge is coming up with a good idea. When you're staring at a blank screen, inspiration doesn't always come naturally. That's why I use a specially designed master prompt. You'll find it in the Google Docs link in the video description. This prompt is extremely detailed and specifically built for this workflow. It's not something you'll easily find elsewhere. I spent a lot of time refining it to make the process as efficient as possible. Copy the entire prompt. Now open Google Flow and create a new project. Turn agent mode off. Select image mode. Set the image output to 4 images and choose Nano Banana 2 as the image model. Paste the copied prompt into the prompt box at the bottom. You'll find the subject field. This is where you'll specify what you want to generate. For this example, we're creating something related to cars, so simply type car. Then click Generate. After waiting a few moments, Google Flow will generate several cinematic storyboard-style images. As you can see, each frame represents a different stage of the transformation. When these scenes are animated together, they become a highly engaging cinematic video that keeps viewers watching until the end, just like the videos we saw earlier. Step 2. Turning the images into a video. Now comes the most exciting part. Switch Google Flow to video mode. Change the output from 4 videos to 1 video. Drag your favorite generated image into the project as the reference image. Paste the same master prompt again. Then edit the subject field once more and enter car. Click Generate. Within a few minutes, Google Flow will automatically generate a complete cinematic transformation video. As you can already see, the video is now ready. Let's watch the final result. Creating different versions with the same workflow. Now let's create another example using the exact same process. This time, instead of a car, we'll generate a train. Go back to the Google Docs link and copy the master prompt again. Open Google Flow, paste the prompt into the prompt box. Now edit the subject field and replace car with train. Switch back to image mode. Select a 16:9 aspect ratio, set the image output to 4 images, then click Generate. After a few minutes, Google Flow will once again generate several cinematic storyboard images. These images will become the visual foundation of your final video. Choose your favorite image and drag it into the project as the reference image. Now switch from image mode back to video mode. Change the video output from 4 to 1. Paste the master prompt once again. Edit the subject field one final time and make sure it says train, then click Generate. After waiting for about 1 to 2 minutes, your cinematic train transformation video will be finished. Downloading the video. To download your finished video, simply click the 3-dot menu on the video, then choose Download, and your video will be saved to your device. The entire workflow is really just a simple cycle. Choose an idea, generate cinematic images, turn those images into a video, repeat. Once you understand this cycle, creating one unique video after another becomes incredibly easy. You don't need an editing team or expensive software. You simply need to know which tools to use and in what order. That's it for today's video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video with another exciting AI workflow.